Today, Carl Defay faces his second day of trial, and the sticking points of the prosecution and defense are becoming clearer. 13 Investigates' William Ingalls joins us to break down what key facts could swing the case. William.
Brittany, day 2 of this trial did not bring a ton of new information our way. We talked a little bit about that on 13 News at 5, but we are starting to get a clearer picture as to how the defense may be trying to argue for Carl Defay's innocence. The first of which all has to do with what caused Samantha Swan's death. We heard from Dr. Scott Denton today, who is one of the 3 doctors the prosecution has brought forward who all say Swan's death was caused from strangulation. Defense attorney Kunal Kulkarni using the fact that only skeletal remains were left of Swan's body to make finding a cause of death more ambiguous. Kulkarni specifically trying to entertain the possibility Swan's death was from a drug overdose or alcohol poisoning. The other strategy Kulkarni seems to be using is discrediting witnesses, and in particular Courtney Davenbaugh, who was Carl Defay's partner at the time of the alleged murder and an eyewitness to the incident with Swan that night. Kulkarni referenced past drug use to call into question her ability to accurately remember those events. He also referenced several pieces of police testimony which we have not got to hear as of this time, but could go into his effort to try to discredit her testimony later on in this trial. As for the defense, we're likely going to start hearing their evidence and their witnesses tomorrow, as the prosecution only has one more witness left to call. As for the defense, everyone has their eyes on a likely testimony from Carl Defay, the defendant in this case, likely taking the stand in his own defense. Trial starts tomorrow at 9 in the morning. We'll be giving you live coverage throughout the day. Reporting in Rockford for 13 Investigates, I'm William Ingalls. Brittany, back to you.
William, thank you.